Hey, it's me. Obviously it's me. Who else is gonna be? No. So today is a kind of different video. Well, it's a different. It's not so much a challenge. It's just how I'm gonna do my hair for tonight. I just thought I'd show you how I do my hair. I'm using these velcro curlers, soft, so you can sleep in them. And these are from Avon, and this is how I do my hair. Obviously, so I've towel dried it, washed it, it's dry so it's still damp. I'm going to split it in two, and then I'm just going to, ideally it's best if you have like sectioning clips, which I do have. I'm not going to lie, I do have them. I just completely forgot. So I'm just going to, let's just show out where I'm going to start. Obviously these ones I've got are from Avon, and I got them for Christmas. And we're just gonna start with each section to prepare. So you have, let me size this for you. Disaster, right? 3. And I'm not going to lie, this is the first time I'm doing it, or using them to be fair, so I'm just going to do what I did and improvise. So, let's get my glasses off. Actually, it would be easy if I stick my contact lenses in. What's the time? Like in 1 second, I've just got to stick my contact lenses in. It makes life a whole lot easier. I would show you how I do it, but I'll say that for another video, so in 1 second. I'm back! Whoa. Oh, that's cool. I don't know how that went, that's cool. Right, so now let's get back to it, shall we? It makes life a whole lot easier, so I'm just gonna push my hair, and then I'm going to start with getting a section from the top. Try to make it, it'll make life easy if you had like one of those pintail combs and stuff, but I kind of left it all at home in a rush, to be fair, because I'm not at home. So there's actually to choose this size. First I'm going to start with big, and we're just going to roll it to the end, to pull the hair in, and start to roll it. And it's in place, I guess. Because it's in place. And then get another bit of the hair. Now, I said it made life a lot more easier if you did have a pintail comb, but you know what? That don't matter. And then different sizes need different. I just need the smaller ones. Okay, maybe it needs to be a smaller one. Obviously it's about trial and error, so if it don't fit, just use next size up or next size down. In this case I'm using next size down. If it don't go in, then I knew there was a reason why I hated doing these in college. Let's rebrush that bit, shall we? I knew that's the reason I hated doing these in college. Right, so we'll try that again, shall we? Just keep doing that all the way around your hair. Also, the more you get to the back, the harder it's gonna be. As you can see, probably see better than me to be fair. Right. This one could be a small one. All about, to be fair, it's better normally if you have wet hair, or maybe like you do it and then you just dampen it, but you can use them dry, which is what I'm doing, obviously. Now probably these curls aren't going to be the best, but you know what, I don't really care because I tried. I can't quite see that one, it's fine, don't mind if you can't get it all. And then you just do the same for the side. Sometimes in cases one side obviously goes better than the other side. Obviously this side's going to be better than this side, but you know what? The way you think about it is, you gave it a go, and that's that really. That's all you can think about it. Sorry I can't like fast forward or anything like that, but you know what? I really ain't got the time to do the editing. I wish that I could be a hero. Sometimes it's best if you can try and match up to what the same colours this side, like the same sizes, but in some cases that isn't always the best. It doesn't always happen. So, you know what? I'm probably going to redo these ones actually, to be fair. I'm going to redo these ones. They're getting loose. Oh, that's alright. I'm probably redoing. They're going to need redoing. It's fine. It's fine. It's cool. This is all about trial and error. That's the good thing with hair, really. You can just try. If it don't work, it don't work. And you try again until it does work. Hair's a good thing, to be fair. Long or short. I think you need to make a roll of that one, that size. Or actually, Jesus, man. I should really done my hair. That's all lovely. Obviously, my hair is layered, so obviously, I should have just left this side really, to be fair. This sounds so frustrating me. I'm not gonna get this frustrating so much. Let's start with the back, maybe. Oh my god, my face is like. Like I said, I'm not. Maybe I should have practiced before doing a YouTube video, but then what's the fun in that we don't learn together? At least this way we're learning together. That's one. Oh my god, I'm getting so frustrated right now. This is why I need my sister here, so she can do it for me. She's good at stuff like this. I told you one side always goes better, just so happens it's this side what goes better than the other side. There's some jokes, sometimes it really is. I'm sorry it's taking ages, and I'm sorry that you probably, when you see this, it's not going to be edited, because I kind of like to upload them straight away, if I can. Obviously if I can't, I can't, but I try. Good thing this, if you take it out and don't look right, you can just push it out or pull it up, or just, so, oh, there's a little bit there. Do something different. Life is all about taking risks, I believe. So, if you can, take the risk, because it's not often you get a second chance in life, to be fair, and they're like very rare to find. Oh my days! Right, this one just needs one more small one. Obviously the back ones are going to be the hardest ones to do. Let's fix this side now, shall we? As you can see where I keep taking them out and putting them back in, there is getting there the curl effect. Like I said before, some of you are probably thinking I should have learned how to do this first before doing it, but like I said before, what's the point in that? to go all in. I don't know what looks like to there. And now just leave it at that for an hour or so. So what I'll do is I'll come back in an hour and we'll see the finished look. Probably you can protect it by sticking a shower cap over it. Or actually something like a bandana thing. Oh, I've got one more I could use. I could bore my fringe. Shall I bore my fringe? How bit of the colour of my fringe? Yeah. No, my fringe is bang. My fringe is pain. So I've just got a spare. I didn't realise I had a spare. I could have used that actually, to be fair. Do I could have used it for this one? Actually, no, I'm going to use it for that one. So, let's put it into. Actually, it feels big enough for this one if I want to be fair. Ta-da! So now I'll just leave that for about an hour or so and then we'll come back and take it out. So I'll see you in an hour, guys. And I'm out. It's okay, I'll pause it and I'll soon back, so it's all good. It's all good. Fingers crossed. Hey there, so I'm back and obviously I'm all changed and I've got my makeup. It's been about a good over an hour or so. It's almost half past, so I'm going to take this off. Also, I've got my shower cap on. And let's see how it looks. It's a yay or nay nay. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's start with the bottom and work our way around. This is probably going to be like one of the most horrible things. Well, that's a nice little curl. Let's put my makeup back. Because this one's a bit of a pain, this one's going to come out. Oh. See the effect? See a bit wavy. Ooh, see little waves. Surprisingly, the taking out was a lot quicker than the putting in. as you can see, there is volume in it. That don't look too bad, to be fair. And there you have it. So please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe down in the comments section below. I've had some few issues, so if you